Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the.
This is my 1999 Jeep Cherokee actually. It's the one my wife usually drives. Got a lot of miles on it. She got some loving marks here. But she got some nice wheels. 15 by 8 inch ultras. 235/75 down to Pro ATMs. Damn beefy little tires for no lift. This is the 4-wheel drive 4-liter, the best of all. You have to have all the family stickers on it because it is the family vehicle, or at least it used to be until I got my Charger. And currently, right now, it's got a problem with cranking. Beautiful vinyl wrap hood I did like 2 or 3 months ago. So let's get in here and see what's going on. Yeah, currently the keyless entry doesn't work either. Alright. Okay. Close the door. Oh yeah. Alright. That's a weird. No check engine lights though. Yeah, it's also got a Trailhead off-road intake, so it's ridiculously loud in here. There you go, folks. A little inline 6 4-liter horseshoe intake. Trailhead off-road intake also. That pretty loud. Upgrade the wiring. Some of this 4-gauge kicker wiring. My next step before I try to diagnose exactly what the heck is wrong with this thing is going to be cleaning this bay up. Because as you can see, it's pretty dirty. And I rebuilt this engine about 35,000 miles ago. So stay tuned. We'll see where this goes.
Mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving.